Cool.
All right, we're done.
Yeah, this is your new hairstyle.
Thank you so much. Hi, my name is Mickie and this is Hair Me Out. Today I'm cutting off all of my hair. Before we get into it, don't forget, subscribe below. So today I'm gonna be getting a short bob, and then on the back side I'm gonna be getting an undercut, maybe with a design. My two best friends are my main inspiration for getting my hair cut this short. They both recently cut off pretty much all of their hair, and I actually helped one buzz her head. Those were pretty daring decisions, and I kind of want to try something like that on my own because I never have. I'm most excited to just try something different because I really don't do anything different with my hair. Like, a friend has told me before, your hair looks boring, like you always keep it the same way. So I'm excited to try something new. So now I'm gonna head over to Spoke & Wheel to get my hair cut.
So we're gonna do 5 mini ponytails. So you've just got easy hair to bring with you to donate.
Has anybody ever asked you to stop partway through a haircut?
Can't remember any time recently where that's happened. Here we go, ready?
Yep. So I think my first experience getting a shorter haircut was when I was about 5 years old. I got basically the Dora the Explorer cut. People would call me Dora because I looked like her. So I just got into the routine of cutting it really short, waiting a couple years, cutting it short again, and I haven't really deviated from that ever. Today I'm trying to do something a little bit more creative, a little bit more daring. The undercut will be a big change from what I've had in the past.
Here's our weird little pre-cut.
Serving you guys full-on Dora right now. I've broken at least 2 hairbrushes off in my hair before.
Like the handle just breaks
yeah,
off?
Yeah. I love how the big chop isn't even like what I was nervous about, like this part. Now I'm getting good nervous.
The shaving?
Yeah. I've never gotten my head shaved in any way before, so I'm kind of scared. I don't know how that's gonna feel or if it's gonna look okay. Like, I don't know how that's gonna look when I pull it back, so that's a little bit scary. Oh my god, that's like crazy.
Or something?
My hands are expecting, like, it's like a phantom hair kind of thing going on. With short hair, you can get away with a lot more. I feel like if you have shaved hair, kind of like lends itself to more edgy looks, but I don't think that my like makeup and clothing aesthetic is really gonna change. Half the time, I just kind of grab what's clean anyways, so. Even though this haircut is totally out of my comfort zone, I'm so glad I tried it because I love the way it turned out. The undercut is definitely the most shocking part of this transformation, and it's something I'll have to get used to. But even though it's different, I feel like myself. Who knows, maybe this will give me the courage to do something even crazier next time. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Let us know what you want to see next in our comments right below. To subscribe, click here, and to see more videos, click here.